Welcome student. I am Dr. Bharat Gada, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRT Art, BH Commerce, AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student, friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Paper number is 4 and semester number is first. Now, topic name is population growth and trend. Topic number is 3 and in the topic will be cover first point is a concept of population growth. Now today we are going to learn this topic. Topic is concept of population growth and trends. Student trends. Last topic will be discussion population distribution, differences of population distribution, factors affecting of district population, density and its types, for urbanization definition and trends, density and different density of India, then trends and levels of urbanization in India. Already discussed in last chapter. Today we will discuss first what is the population growth and discuss what is the population change. Recent decades with the witness growing the interest of social scientists, including the population geographer, in the ever increasing demographic dynamism, especially in less development curriculum. Consequently, the number of students exploring the trends in population change have recorded conspicuous support to the recent past. This growing conscious among the social scientists about the need of exploring the trends in population change may be the attribute. The recent population explosion resulted in the great demand for foodstuff and other resources. The World Economic Recession in 1883, rendering gap between the per capita income for developed and less developed countries, increasing environmental damages, increasing population pressure upon the limited resources of the less developed worlds. For development population geographer, however, the phenomena of population growth has been special significance its value. It has a vital index of region economic development, social awakening, historical and cultural backgrounds, and political ideology. Population growth this is vital of the region demographic dynamism. It is thus attribute with which all the characteristics of population are intimately related to and from they we derive their significance. Thus, the understanding of population growth in an area hold the key to the understanding of the entire demographic structure of the area. Now, population change and population growth. The concept of population change and growth of population is often used to connote to the change in the number of inhabitants of the territory during a specific period of time, irrespective of the fact whether change is negative or positive. Such change can be measured by both the term absolute number and terms of percentage. While it is easy to determine the change in absolute number of subtracting the number of inhabitants in the earlier point in the time of that of all the later point of in time. The measurement of percentage changes poses in little problem. The growth of problems of populations in the term of percentage is generally calculated by dividing by absolute change by the population at an earlier date by and multiply in by hundreds. Logically, the denominator should be a mid-period population, but since the mid-period population will have be estimated, therefore the growth rate is normally calculated by using the actual population size at the beginning point and the of the point period under review. Population geographers have often calculated the growth of population for the period of 10 years. This period normally synchronized with the seasonal period such as growth rate calculated with the help of actual population count is known as actual rate of population growth. Population geographers have often made use to by natural rate of growth population. These natural rate of growth of population is obtained by dividing the difference between the birth rate and death rate of population at the beginning of the periods and multiply its hundreds. It implies that is while in case natural growth rates only the birth rate and death rate are taken into account. In case of actual growth rate, the factor of migration is also taken into the consideration. Both actual and natural rates of population growth have been subjected to spatial, collateral and interpretations by the population geographer. However, while analyzing the population growth in any area, one has to careful to use by the comparable data. Generally, an element of error in the calculation population growth rate can be rise due to the changes in the territorial jurisdiction of the administrative units of the area under review. Change in the concept and approach the census itself and the changes in the incidence of error at the two concerned census. Quite often the boundaries of administrative units by which the census data are collected are subjected to a change so as to meet administrative convenience. Since the census data are collected by this administrative unit, it's become very difficult to calculate population change, but such units will terrestrial jurisdiction undergoes modification during the intercensal period. Similarly, if the definition of the census itself it is also modified from census to census, it may be rendered the data is pertaining to the two census incompletable for intents. Its approach of census change into the de facto de jure. The census figure the collected may be not strictly comparable. Lastly, the magnitude of omissions and duplication may also vary from census to census, which may dip strictly comparison of the census figure. Population geographer, while using the such census data, have to be aware to the various sources of error in the census data. They must be able to modify the census figure if necessary in such a way to make a fairly incomparable. The calculation of population changes does not face much difficult in case of those aerial units which do not suffer from the aforementioned modification. In case of the aerial unit which is undergone terrestrial modification during intercensal period, the calculation of population change can be made comparable only it is the census organization publish such information. The census organization can promote the cause of research in population geographer by publishing information with regards in terrestrial changes, the changes definition of the census, and the incidence of error in such count. Now the concept of population growth. Here the topic number 3 topic is name is population trend growth and trends. Now student, the first point is concept of population growth. Second point, component of population growth. This is the fertility, mortality and migration. Now topic number point sub point is theory of demographic transition. Fourth point is Malthus theory and population growth and trends of in India. This is the now point cover in the topic number 3. And last point is the migration concept of migrant, migration, immigration. These are the some concept will be described in the topic. Topic is population growth and trends. Now, student, what is the mean by and what is the concept of population growth? Now here, the population change any place is measured by computing the difference between the population size at 2 decades. Mainly, the phase population change is very often used synonymous to the population growth. Mainly because most of the countries in modern times have experienced growth in their population size. Population change means an increase or a decrease in the size of population. Population change means is a decrease or increase in the size of population. It is called as a population change. As population growth means population growth may be increase or decrease. This is the change. It is a population change, maybe increase or decrease the size of population. It is called as a population growth as well as population change. It is a customary the denote population decrease by the minus signs. Population change is usually measured by finding out the difference in the population size is obtained two or more census operation in any country as part of it. Means the population change is visually measured by finding out the difference in the population's size as obtained from two or more census operation in any country or part it. The absolute number of the population change is obtained by subtracting the population of an earlier date from date to date and later to date. Now, the concept of population is the population growth rate is the rate of which the number of individual in a population increase a given period time expressed in fraction of initial populations. Population growth rates refer to the change of in population over a unit time period. Population growth is referred to the change in the population over a unit time period, often expressed as a percentage of the number of individuals in the population at the beginning of the period. Now, here it is in this year population growth is India equals population change of the world for India from the ancient period up to the present time. It is a trace. More detailed information of population change and measurement of present, that is the following discussion. Maybe change of the population in size obtained from the census data. It is assumed that is the figure up to 2 points of time as are comparable into the sense that are the area cover and that made the enumeration area are the same for the two census operations. A population change at any place is measured by the computing the difference between the population size at two dates. Now, the phase. Population change is very often used to synonyms population growth mainly because most of the countries modern types have expressed growth in their population size. Now, population change, however, means the increase or decrease the size of population is customary denote population decrease in minus sign. Measurement of population size, measurement of population change. The population change is usually measured by finding out difference in the size obtained by two or more census operation in a country. Now, any part it. Now, the absolute number of population change is obtained by subtracting the population an earlier date from date to later date. Now, population in Maharashtra 2001, this population, and take the population in 2011, and now here, therefore, the population change in Maharashtra during the 2001-2011. It is first take the 2011 population and minus 2001 census. This calculation is minus for the population change. Now, the relative change is calculated by dividing the absolute change in the population and at earlier census. Now, here it is the customary denote the relative changes in the percentage change, that is case of change multiplied by 1100. The formula is obtained by the percentage of change population is P2 minus P1 divided by P1 into multiplied by 100. P with P and P denote into the population figures is the earlier later where point of time. Thus, the percentage change in the population in Maharashtra during 2001 and 2011 census. The figure in the 15.99 indicates the decadal growth, show the extent of the population in the population. However, when the time period between the two census operation is more than 1 year and does not indicate the relative change of period. Now here it is has not yet been transferred into the state. The relative change in the population size per year in express the rate. One way obtaining the rate of changing by dividing the relative change of relative percentage change in the number of years related to the census date. Here the assumption involved it is that the change in population is equally distributed throughout the period. It is assumed that the population growth is linear, follow the arithmetic progression. There is a constant increase per unit time in the sense of 1 year. Thus, the Maharashtra, the rate of population increase per year during the 2001 and 2011 is 0.59 divided by 10 into the now 5.9%, 5.9%. Now the above calculation of the rate growth is like that is the calculation of simple rate in the interest. Now here there should be, however, the point out that the population growth does not follow the principle of interest. For then population growth, successive increment may be equal. The growth of population in term of percentage is generally calculated by dividing the absolute change by the population at earlier date and multiplied by in hundreds. Now the equation may be written as follows: log in P1 divided by P1 into number of and log in by. Here this is component of population growth. Maybe here this is the number of different components for the population growth. This is the first one is fertility, which is referred to the occurrence of birth. However, need to the differentiated from the fecundity, which is referred to the reproductive capacity of women during her entire reproductive period. Mortality. Now, mortality has been defined as a permanent disappearance of all evidence of life at any time after birth take place. Now last one is migration. Migration is one place to another place. It is called as migration. These are the some three most important component of the population growth of the calculations for the and the fertility, mortality and the migration. Now student, we will today stop here. Now the concept of population growth. Now we will discuss population growth and what is the population growth, which is the formula used for calculating by population mode. Today we discuss of the population growth. Now student, any doubt, any query, ask me anytime. Student, today stop here. Remaining parts are remaining next point to become new point to be next lecture. Okay, good day, bye bye.